I'm gonna cook the best turkey entry. Oh, well, thank you.
What?
Cheers. Let's see here. Ah, here we go, cranberries. That'll work. Let's go with that. And with that. That'll work, yeah. Ah, onions. Well, there's some loaf, and where's the turkey? There's no turkey. Where's the big turkey? That's the tiny little turkey. I need the big one. What do I do? What do I do? You know what? I'm at Dierbergs. I'll get a hold of Chef Christie. She's got to be around here.
What?
Hey, Chef Christie.
Hi, King Scott. What's going on?
This will only take a minute.
Just a minute. I only got a minute.
I'm trying to find a big turkey, and I only have tiny turkeys down there. I need a big turkey. I'm making a meal for my wife.
Oh, slow down. Okay. When is the meal?
It's for Thanksgiving tomorrow.
Oh, that's gonna take a little bit longer than a minute.
Can you help me, please?
Yeah. Relax.
Okay, thank you.
We'll make a turkey together. I got this. And you were looking for a big turkey?
Yeah, big one.
Well, I happen to already have a turkey breast here.
Oh.
That'll feed like 4 people. Let's make this together.
Sounds good.
Okay.
Thank you.
Right. So, you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Put the book down.
Okay.
I've got a whole bunch of herbs and some citrus here and everything.
Yeah.
So we're gonna make a butter to put underneath the turkey, right? Why don't you go ahead and zest the orange into the bowl there.
Zest?
So take the little, that's a microplane. And you're literally gonna use it like a wood rasp, like up back and forth.
I'll try it.
All right.
Yeah, okay.
While you're doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and put some herbs and some more citrus underneath our bird here.
This would be good on my bunion.
Go ahead and do that lemon one there too.
All right.
That's good, okay.
All right.
Same thing with that. Then go ahead and unwrap that butter, and you're gonna use the fork to kind of mash it all together.
Okay.
And then take the fork and just kind of mash it and mush it together. Like you're mixing it all together.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, now
I'll
you
be
ready
a
for
pilgrim yet.
You ready for the good stuff?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're gonna take that butter.
Okay.
You're gonna have to use your hands, and you're gonna rub it in between the skin here and the actual bird.
So this much?
Yeah. Maybe little pieces at a time. Okay, just go for it. Oh, yeah.
That's interesting. Get in there. Yep, that's how you do it. Just gonna stick her right on in. Is that good?
You're so easily entertained. Okay, yeah. Why don't you wash your hands
Okay.
while I stick him into the oven? All right, so that's gonna take about 45 minutes to an hour.
Ooh.
We do not have enough time to make all of your sides. But you know what? Our Dierbergs Kitchens makes all their sides from scratch. You wanna just go buy them?
Pre-made?
Ready to heat up.
Yes!
All right, let's go downstairs in the store.
Okay.
Leave the cart. All right, so let's just get some sides that you guys will enjoy, right? Mashed potatoes?
Yes.
Okay. Sweet potatoes?
Yep.
Okay. Honey glazed carrots?
Oh, yes.
Brussels sprouts?
Yep.
All right, that's a lot of sides. You guys are probably all set for your meal.
Yeah. I mean, that's a lot. I probably should have called ahead of time.
Yeah, you can call ahead and order your Thanksgiving sides or your Christmas meal ahead of time. It's probably the way to go. Or you can order online.
You know for sure at Christmas, I will text you and let you know what I need. Thank you.
No, you can call the store.
I got your number.
All right, let's see if our turkey is done.
Smells so good.
That looks amazing.
I want that now.
Oh, Allison is gonna be so impressed with you.
Yes. I can't believe you pulled this off so quickly.
I know. All right, you ready?
Yeah. So how do I heat this up for tomorrow?
Okay, so tonight when you get home, put it in the fridge.
Okay.
Tomorrow, just take the turkey off the platter, pop it in the oven at 300 for about 20 minutes and warm it up.
300. Alrighty, well, I should probably get going. Thank you again.
You're welcome. You want me to help you to the car?
Yes, please.
I don't trust you to carry this.
Okay. That's glass, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. And here's my space shuttle.
Oh, wow.
Time to load her up. Look at all the room.
All right, make sure this goes somewhere nice and flat.
Okay. Yeah, I'll put it up here. Again, thank you so much. This is amazing.
You're so welcome. I'm glad we could get all that done in one day.
Yeah, that's amazing. And now tomorrow, my wife and I are gonna have an amazing meal. She's gonna be so happy.
You're not gonna give me any credit tomorrow at all, are you?
What? Thank you, Dierbergs and Chef Christie, for teaching me how to make the perfect Thanksgiving meal. I can't wait to eat tomorrow. All right, have a great one.
See ya.